This is Mylar. Mylar is a highly reflective film that you've probably seen before in shiny balloons, space blankets, indoor gardens used to grow herbs. But today I am using it for photography. I plan on using it as a backdrop and a light bounce. Because of the way it reflects, it looks like water. This is my first time using Mylar, so we will be learning and experimenting together. My plan is to do a one light setup, messing around with flash versus continuous light. I know I'm gonna do multiple shoots just so I can really get a feel of what works with the Mylar. And the shoots are also going to be self-portraits that I shoot with my little remote. So I'm gonna go get myself ready and then we'll do the first shoot. If you couldn't tell, I'm going for like a mermaid vibe since I want to look underwater. I got this dress from a thrift store maybe 2 years ago and I've never worn it anywhere. I just needed the right occasion. Honestly, I love it. I think I might add a few more pearls in the hair, but I'm ready to go shoot. I'm gonna switch it up a bit, and instead of using a strobe, I'm gonna use a continuous light, just a little tiny LED panel. I'm gonna reflect it off of the Mylar, maybe mess around with like different colors and stuff. I forgot to introduce what I was doing for the last shoot. I was just messing around with the one single strobe between hard and soft light. The problem with the soft light, reflection. Problem with the hard light, I just don't like how hard light looks on one side of my face. I'm gonna go change my outfit and come back and finish this shoot with the continuous light, and hopefully it works out. Okay, so the pictures did turn out okay. I liked the vibe of both of them, but I don't feel like I mastered the reflective bounce that gives it that watery look. So that means I'm gonna do another shoot. This look definitely does not require a full get ready with me montage. It's way simpler. I'm just gonna use Vaseline to make my face look really wet and a spray bottle to make my hair wet. Since the last shoot, I did purchase a snoot. A snoot is just a cone that goes on front of your strobe light that makes it a spotlight. I plan on using the spotlight straight down to the Mylar and having it reflect back onto me. Backdrop wise, I am having the Mylar on the ground, and then I just put a pink sheet with a sheer curtain over it. With the strobe, I'm also going to have a speed light bouncing off the wall to fill the rest of the room. Both lights are going to have a gel on them. I think I'm gonna do warm colors so that way it's like beachy, sunset. I'm thinking this shoot is gonna be the one. Let's shoot. so happy I got it to work. It's still not perfect, but I do plan on continuing to shoot with Mylar in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you have any advice or suggestions of how to use the Mylar, leave a comment. And if you want to see more videos of me learning and experimenting with photography, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.